Sacred groves are areas of untouched nature worldwide preserved by local communities for spiritual reasons. They are hugely important in biodiversity conservation and support unique plant and animal life, providing essential ecosystem services like water management and soil protection. Mangar Bani, a sacred grove on the Aravalli Hills, which is one of the oldest mountain range in the world, is situated in the state of Haryana, India. It is surrounded by the cities of Gurugram, New Delhi and Faridabad of the National Capital Region of India, from all three sides. To learn more about the sacred grove named Mangar Bani, and the community management of this age-old forest by the indigenous people, using traditional conservation methods, the Celestial Earth team visited here to conduct research on this sacred grove.
Hello, I am Tanya, the founder CEO of the Celestial Earth. We work extensively on the biodiversity, ecosystem services, conservation and management, carbon sequestration, defined issues of climate change and energy transition, and we are a proud member of IPBES family. Sacred group is a very important field of study for the biodiversity management, and we are lucky enough that near our office in Gurugram, India, there is a age-old sacred group called Mangar Bani in Aravalli. And Aravalli is one of the oldest mountain range not only in India but in the whole world. So we visited there in that Mangar Bani sacred groups to learn about the indigenous people and their traditional ways of maintaining the forest in the process of community forest management. And we talked to them, we tried to learn many things. Another very important characteristics of this place is that there were signs of Palaeolithic human existence found here, along with artifacts and cave arts, which are estimated as one of the oldest, not only in India but in the whole world, as the signs of human civilization. You can see through this video and enrich yourself with lots of information and sightseeing of this place. So our purpose of showcasing this sacred grove and this part of Aravalli through this video, especially in the international platform like IPBES, is to draw the attention of the international research community, research institutes, conservationists, so that the local people, the tribal and indigenous people get encouragement to do this community forest management in a much better way. Not only this, also I hope that this will help the Paleolithic site especially to get the UNESCO heritage status, which is important for the conservation and restoration of the whole region. And I hope our video will serve all those purposes well. Thank you.
Mangar Bani, the sacred grove, is not only a spiritual sanctuary but also an ecological treasure, home to endangered species and supporting a variety of plant and animal life, including over 245 bird species, 20 mammal species, and around 300 tree species. The Mangar Bani area is dominated by the Gujjar community, historically indigenous pastoral people taking care of the sacred grove for centuries. The sacred grove is considered sacred due to the presence of the Gujjar Baba temple. According to tales, Gujjar Das Maharaj, a holy man, lived in Mangar Bani some 500 years ago. His spirit is believed to protect the forests from destruction, and any misuse will result in his wrath. This has preserved sacred groves for centuries. Mangar Bani is a great example of community forest management by local indigenous people. The belief on Gujjar Das Baba inspires the locals for a communal responsibility to preserve the forest, reporting any misuse of resources to the forest department. In addition to their spiritual and cultural efforts, the villagers have actively engaged in documenting the rich biodiversity of Mangar Bani. By gathering data on the various plant species found in the grove, they are contributing to a deeper understanding of its ecological significance. Adding further acclaims and wonders, some prehistoric cave paintings got discovered near Mangar Bani. In 2021, a local, Sunil Hazana, discovered cave paintings which are assumed to be from Upper Paleolithic period, which is around 50,000 years old. Consequently, archaeologists have discovered stone tools and artifacts which are assumed to be 0.1 million years old.
मेरा नाम श्याम। ये मांगर बनी मंदिर के नाम से प्रसिद्ध है जगह। कहीं भी कोई भी जंगल में कोई हाथ नहीं लगाता हमारे 500 एकड़ ज़मीन में। यहाँ पे कभी भी अंग्रेजों का वो नहीं था राज, यहाँ पे अपना गुजरों का राज था।
जो लकड़ी है जो की गली टूट जा अपने आप, वो खाली जब भंडारे में यूज होती है मंदिर में ही। चाय बना लो या कोई प्रसाद बना लो, सब्जी पूरी खीर घर को न ले जा सके एक लकड़ी कोई भी चीज़ नहीं जाएगी। यहाँ की जो बजरी है पत्थर मंदिर में लगा लो कोई कैसे नहीं। बाकी यहाँ से कहीं बेचने को घर को अपना मकान बनाने कोई नहीं, कुछ नहीं।
यहाँ से तो कोई दातुन भी नहीं
एक दातुन भी नहीं तोड़ेगा कोई। जैसा आपको अंदाजो नहीं है, नए आदमी आए तो हमने भूल में तोड़ दी तो बड़ी वालों कर दे मुँह पर पतो पड़े पीछे तो करे तो गैला गैल नुकसान दिखा दो। वो वैसे ही लगा रहा कि जो मिट्टी बाहर घणो कटाव देगा रास्ता खराब ना हो। जो खाद कूद लकड़ी या की जो झोंकी रह जाए बाहर न जाओ, पौनी निकट जावे और मिट्टी लकड़ी अढ़ायो पत्ता सत्ता जो भी हो उन्हें रुक जाओ।
वहाँ पे पेड़ तो नहीं काटता नहीं है हमारे गांव विलेज में से कोई, बल्कि वहाँ पे पेड़ और लगाते हैं। कुछ तो पहाड़ में कुछ हौदी टाइप का बनाते हैं जिसमें जानवर पानी पीने के लिए आते हैं, या फिर जो मटके होते हैं उनको ऊपर से फोड़ के भर देते हैं जिससे वो पानी पीते हैं। और बाकी जो मांसाहारी जानवर होते हैं वो तो खाते हैं एक दूसरे को, और जो जैसे बर्ड होते हैं तो उनके लिए अनाज वनाज कुछ भी, बाजरा अनाज कुछ भी, तो वो डाल के आ जाते हैं बनी में।
Women also participate in forest conservation, which helps in their livelihood like the collection of medicinal plants, fruits etc. The world has much to learn from sacred groves like Mangar Bani. As we face the challenges of modern environmental crises, the wisdom of ancient conservation practices by these indigenous people can guide us towards a more sustainable future. Currently, Mangar Bani holds only the status of a no-construction zone, but for its long-term protection, it is vital to designate it as a reserved forest. Also, we hope this place will be designated as an UNESCO World Heritage Site status in future. We hope this video will help in enhancing protection for this unique ecosystem and cultural landmark.